doing here? Are we speaking now? Is it recording? I don't think it's recording.
It is.
Pretty looking teeth.
Oh, hello.
Try and talk without your mouth moving.
This is hilarious.
I think it's working
I
now.
think yours is just a bit like, I could talk without her teeth
And
really
you're
well.
constantly looking pretty because you're smiling. So technically it works at all times. Hello, nice to meet you.
My name's Chloe, it's really nice to meet you too.
It's really select when you do this.
It's really weird because if there was no sound, you couldn't tell we were actually talking.
That's so true.
Do you know what I mean?
I totally. It looks like a photo for a
It's like I
photo.
just tried to rehearse after 3, 2, 3. You're in 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. I already asked you and I deleted me for us. It's kind of 9 times I can do that. I did every time. 9 times I can't do it now. Hello, Chelsea, the lowest going now. See at least I can speak to you now. And I can't now.
I don't think I can understand you. What? I don't know what you're doing. Are you trying to be funny?
No, not really. I'm just trying to see my
You can sing for our teeth.
Alright, try and talk really normally with your ass like this.
That is your normal voice, you're kidding.